I sit by the window, I let the wind come in. And the wind feels so good, it's very relaxing. I wish you was here with me, feeling this wind. I can picture wind blowing through your hair. Beautiful as you can be, while the wind is blowing, I'm daydreaming about you and me. I'm pretty sure there's no better to a team like you and me. They can only dream. There are great two teams out there. They've never seen anything close to you and me. Ain't nobody got what we got going on, going on. They dreams fall apart, 'cause they tryna be like you and me. Into the window, the wind might put me to sleep without knowing. Then maybe I dream, in my dream you're very close to me. At that moment the wind gave me what I need. Felt good breathing it in. I fell in love with that feeling. My mind needed some cleaning, but now my love I be stressing, and it can get to the point where it starts beating me up. And just you say you love me ain't even enough. I can hear you clearly. There's nothing close to feeling us making love. Your voice is what I wanna hear, but there's not enough. 'Cause once I hear your voice, it makes it tough. 'Cause I realize as you talk, I wanna touch. People wanna be like us, but they don't know how tough it can become when you can't feel the one you love. And soon the wind won't be able to make me through. Times like this, it dreams fall apart, 'cause they tryna be like you and me. Into the window, the wind might put me to sleep without knowing. Then maybe I dream, and you my dream, you're very close to me. These dreams fall apart, 'cause they tryna be like you and me. Into the window, the wind might put me to sleep without knowing. Then maybe I dream, and you my dream, you're very close to me. Listen, when you're not close, baby, I can't hold, but we still